Tom from Taylorsville, Indiana, has a question about attic ventilation.
Well, he doesn't want to overdo an upgrade, is his question here. Tom writes, my house is 24 by 48, and I have ridge vents and gable vents on each end of the house. I also have soffit vents, and I'd like to know if that's too much ventilation. And does that make the attic hold too much heat? Because it's like a circle of heat staying up there. Tom, what say you?
First off, you can't have too much. If you could take the ideal situation and build a box and live in it,
right,
and then take this roof, put it 3 feet above the box so the air can blow all around, that would be the perfect situation. Fortunately, we don't do that, so it's not a cheeky hutch like the people lived in the old days. As far as that goes, you can't have too much, but you can have it wrong. And in this case, it's wrong with the gable vents because it is circumventing air coming in and not letting the ridge vent do what it's supposed to do. I would do this. It's very simple. Just take some tar paper or a piece of plastic and just staple it around the inside of the gable vents so the air doesn't blow in real strong, and let your ridge vents and soft vents work. And that's it. It's super simple.
It is a super simple system, and it just happens to work.
Yeah.
All right. Just like him. He
super simple. Simple-minded.
Started that thought before I really thought it all the way through there, didn't I?
Thank you.
All right. Go ahead and send us your question. Think it through, though, and visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom form. Send it our way. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.